superb lyrebird, one of the world's oldest surviving songbirds. Each winter, to attract a mate, males take part in the ultimate avian talent show. At 15 years old, this experienced male is something of a star. But with younger rivals jostling for the airwaves, this season he will have to put on the performance of a lifetime. First, he clears his arena. Everything has to be just right. Then, his show begins. Lyrebirds are master mimics. First, a whipbird. It's a convincing start, and it's caught the attention of a female. She will choose a partner who does the most accurate impressions. So next, he pulls out an Australian classic. The kookaburra. Not bad. The female seems interested, so he continues with a cockatoo. 70% of his repertoire is mimicry, learned from listening to older lyrebirds and copying them. To sing such complex and varied songs, lyrebirds are able to produce multiple notes at the same time. Slowing their song down reveals the secret. They have the avian equivalent of two voice boxes. One produces lower tones, the other higher ones. Allowing them to switch notes effortlessly, barely stopping for breath. Drawn in by his song, the female approaches. And this is when he reveals his showstopper. A perfectly choreographed song and dance routine. But only when she gets close does he reveal his grand finale. The laser gun. For a female, it's irresistible.